Hello everyone, in this clip I'm just going to introduce you to a feature that's common to Excel, Word and PowerPoint, and that is the ability to put in organization charts, process charts, etc. into these applications. To do that, we're going to do an organization chart today, one of the most common types of charts that you want to put in when you're presenting. So we'll just go into Insert, and it's a Smart Art shape. And as you can see in Smart Art, there's lots of different things here, processes, cycles, etc. that you can use, but today we're going to use hierarchy and we're going to put in an organization chart. Presents you with a box like this. You don't always see this expanded out, so click on the little arrow there to expand it out. And now we can start putting in the text here. So Ger Jones. And this little arrow here indicates that he has an assistant, which is May Smith. And then we have John Murphy. So as you can see, as it's filling in here, John is going in now as a subordinate to Ger. The next person is Una. And then under Una we have Mary Stewart, so we'll put Mary in here. And then we will just press the Tab key. And you'll notice that when we press the Tab key here, it indents Mary under Una and also changes it on the chart here. So Mary is there, and Mary also has a colleague called Breege. The next person then is Glenn Jackson. And then if we Shift and Tab there, Glenn is promoted up to beside Una. And then we'll just do return again, and we'll do Ben Johns. But Ben Johns is actually a subordinate of Glenn, so we press the Tab key. And that's our organization chart done. If you want to put in any more assistants, as in May Smith here, then you just go into Add Shape, and then you'll say Add Assistant. So select the person that you want to add the assistant to. So say John here has an assistant. Add Shape, Add Assistant, and the assistant will go in then as this little adjunct onto the line here. We can now format this a little bit better, so we can just give it a bit of a polish and shine here. And if you want to, the text is all very big for these. I'll just do Control A to select all the items, and I'll just change those to 12 point, and that looks a lot neater. So have a bit of a play with that. It's, as I say, it's not strictly speaking an Excel chart. It's shared by Word and PowerPoint, but it's just to show you that this can be put into Excel as well as part of an Excel file. That's it for this clip. All the best and bye for now.